Hello, my name is Melissa Smith, and this is my website for the final. My company is Access Digital, and we created the EdgeLight 3D scanner. So here you can see the homepage of the website. We have both the navigation bar up here and the different sections down here. So we're going to go ahead and go to the About page. So, Access Digital is our company, and so this is our structure. We have Dean Kamen, the company president, Melissa Smith, me as the design manager. Our manufacturing manager is Kimberly Jones, the finance manager is Mark Wilson, and the marketing manager is Christina Davis. So, down here we have a kind of description summary of both our company president and the management team and what everybody does. Basically, each manager oversees a part of the company and ensures things happen in a timely and organized manner. And then if we go over to our mission, you can see our company goals. So we are aiming to prototype a new and better future. So Access Digital, using our new product, the EdgeLight 3D Scanner, is aiming to improve the prototyping process and aiming to help alleviate several issues with it. So these issues are cost, time, and ease of manufacturing. Um, so what is prototyping? Prototyping is a key part of the design process that involves creating a model version of the concept you want to look at doing to solve an issue. So you would build a prototype to be able to test and see if an idea works or not. And so this is a very important process because it allows you to see if an idea will work or not and see it, because if you pursue something without prototyping it, you can run into disaster where there's a catastrophic issue with it towards the end that you didn't know about, and then all of a sudden you waste all this time and money because you didn't prototype. And so it is essential in designing something. So so that's our mission, and so now we're gonna go to the EdgeLight 3D scanner page. Here there's a description of what the EdgeLight 3D scanner does. So what it does is you can use it to scan a physical prototype, and then what the device does from there is compile the data from the scan and automatically create a three-dimensional model of the prototype. So these three-dimensional models can then be used to 3D print or use other forms of computer automated manufacturing to create virtually identical versions of your prototype. So this allows for you to be able to do a lot of destructive testing and not worry about losing your only prototype. If you scroll down here, you can see where you can buy the EdgeLight scanner. And here's the citation for that, the photo used. And then, so here's a kind of description of what it accomplishes. So there are several other technologies in the works that do similar things to this, but they have a lot of issues with them. These are cost, device setup time, and convenience. And we aimed to fix these issues with the current technology, so our device is handheld, easy to use, little to no setup time, and more affordable than other alternatives. Um, so, like I said earlier, this allows you to make um, um, very quick, you can duplicate your prototypes, and so that's how it will help. And then here we have kind of a quick description of how to use the EdgeLight 3D scanner. This is what you do to start out. So you gotta download the software and charge it and connect it to your computer. And then from there, you can actually use it to scan the device and upload your 3D models. And then here's a description of the manufacturing. You have all the materials used to make it over here. And then here you have where it is manufactured. It's being manufactured in Hong Kong because it's one of the leading integrated electronics manufacturing countries. So we outsource there. And then from here you have our budget reports. So here you can see our expenses and how much money and what percent of our budget is going where. And then here we have our income report. And so this is just percentages on what money is coming in from where. And then here we do in case there's a budget surplus. You know, we donate to charitable organizations if there is, and 35% will go to company savings, and then the other 15% will go to employee bonuses. And then if there's a budget deficit, we'll pull from emergency savings and the company savings, and then we'll also reduce personal expenses by changing the employee benefits plan. And then here is the more detailed budget report. This isn't necessarily for the average user of the Edgelite 3D scanner. This is more for people working at the company to access. And then next, we have a place where you can get in touch with us. If you fill out this form, we can get back to you if you have questions, comments, or if you're interested in getting a tours of our facility, stuff like that. And then here you have the references. Yeah. And I think that's about it. If we head back to the home page, this is Access Digital presenting the Edgelite 3D scanner.